Hi, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is, what is a gyro disc and why should I use one? So let's start with explaining what gyros actually is. So it's basically thinly shaved pieces of meat that's wedged together on the spit and held securely by two gyros discs. Now in Australia, we typically use a lamb shoulder or some chicken thigh. Now what you do is you push it onto the spit and you wedge it in place between the two discs. Now you push that in as hard as you possibly can to keep it all nice and secure. Now the reason why you use the disc as opposed to a fork is because the gyros is designed to be carved throughout the cooking process. So what you'll do is you'll cook the outside, probably about an inch or an inch and a half. That'll cook. You'll then use a carving knife to shave the outside of that meat, and then you'll allow it to cook. And then maybe an hour after, you'll shave it again, let it cook. And so the disc, what that allows you to do is to carve up against a flat surface rather than trying to dodge the little spikes that stick out of a rotisserie prong. So it basically just makes your life a lot easier to secure and wedge the meat together on the rotisserie skewer. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit subscribe, leave us a comment below, give us a huge thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.